In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to maintain healthy habits while juggling a busy lifestyle. However, it is not impossible. Incorporating small changes into your daily routine can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. One of the most important healthy habits to cultivate is regular exercise. Even if you can only dedicate 20 to 30 minutes a day to physical activity, it can make a significant difference in your health. Whether it's a brisk walk, a quick yoga session, or a high-intensity interval training workout, finding time to move your body is crucial. Another key aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle is eating well. Despite time constraints, prioritizing nutritious, balanced meals is essential. Meal prepping and planning ahead can help ensure that you have healthy options readily available, even on your busiest days. In addition to physical activity and nutrition, getting enough sleep and managing stress are also important components of a healthy lifestyle. Finding time for self-care and relaxation can help reduce the negative effects of a hectic schedule. Ultimately, taking care of your physical and mental health should be a top priority, even when time is limited. By making small adjustments and prioritizing self-care, it is possible to maintain healthy habits in the midst of a busy lifestyle.